Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your wallet address on your Trust Wallets account. Keep watching the video till the end. To find your wallet address on Trust Wallet, firstly go ahead and launch open your Trust Wallet application. The homepage of Trust Wallet application will appear on the screen. From the main homepage, simply go ahead and select the crypto whose wallet address you'd like to receive. Remember that each crypto has a different wallet address. So for example, if you want to find wallet address for Bitcoin, you'll need to tap on Bitcoin button. Similarly, if you want to know the wallet address of Ethereum, you'll need to tap on Ethereum. Once you select your asset that you'd like to know the wallet address of, tap on Receive button. This will display your QR code along with your wallet address. Simply tap on Copy button to copy the wallet address. Your wallet address will be located right here beneath the QR code. Once you tap on Copy button, you can simply go ahead and send the wallet address to your friends. This is how you can find wallet address on Trust Wallet quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.